You're watching 2 News at 6:30.
We will bring a new plan back to you as soon as possible.
Washoe County's reopening plan appears to be dead, at least for now. Those details as our coronavirus continuing coverage tops 2 News at 6:30. Well, the county is working on plans to take over COVID mitigation efforts starting May 1st. I'm Ryan Kennedy.
And I'm Kristen Remington. Thanks for keeping it here with us. The county's current plan lifts social distancing rules, allows business owners to set their own capacity limits, and allows larger groups in public. It removed some of the other restrictions set by the state, except for the mask mandate. But the county's proposal is getting some pushback. The city of Sparks and the Nevada Hospital Association endorse the plan, but Reno, the health district, and the school district do not. As Paul Nelson explains, the work group has to come up with a new plan or stick with the state's current restrictions until June 1st.
Washoe County's recovery and mitigation plan is at a standstill after today's COVID-19 task force meeting. One of the big holdups is the removal of the requirement to observe CDC social distancing guidelines.
The changes are, to operate with social distancing in mind. So the capacity limits, while we're proposing may be lifted, it is simply a recommendation to follow the guidance for CDC social distancing.
The commissioners revised the plan Tuesday, a day after Governor Sisolak's Directive 44 dropped, transitioning mitigation efforts to local authorities.
We obviously did not have much time to gather or gain the endorsements from the other stakeholders at the time.
But COVID-19 cases and numbers of the UK variant are rising, and the vaccination rate is low. That's why the city of Reno, the health district, and the school district couldn't get on board. Washoe County Health District Officer Kevin Dick does not support the plan, saying in a letter, quote, "We must protect the health and safety of our population while they have the chance to be vaccinated through the month of May, so that we can be successful to moving to 100% capacity June 1st, 2021. The two options now are to keep current measures in place until June 1st, or for the local government control work group to agree on a new plan by May 1st.
And we still remain committed to going back to the three entities that we did not receive approval from to work through their issues.
Covering the story, Paul Nelson, 2 News.
Now, most other counties are moving to 100% capacity, some without social distancing. Clark County is loosening restrictions, but it won't move to 100% capacity until the vaccination rate hits 60%.